Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go.
Yes mga agulong, ito na naman ang inyong Founder TV. So maggagawa tayo try nating magpalit kung paano magpalit ng stabilizer ring at bushing sa stabilizer. So puro mga replacement lang yan, matibay rin naman yan. Kasi 5 years na rin si Beauty, kaya tignan natin kung ano yung stabilizer lang niya, yung megalaw na. Kasi medyo may nararamdaman ako pag talbog di maganda, kaya palitan na rin natin para maganda. So preparing tayo sa mga gamit, saka iaangat na natin yung gulong, nakaangat na. Ayun, yup. Nabaklasan natin yung gulong for safety. So ito, natanggalin natin ito. Tornilyo rito, tornilyo 17. 17 siya. Lugan muna natin yan. Tapos yan sa bushing 19. Nabaklasin natin yan. Biyak siya. Lalagyan din natin ng biyak. May na mga magiging taga-biyak. Ayan. May gas-gas. Tingnan natin na may problema na talaga. Sige, biyakin mo na. Baka mo to. Kunan mo yung kamay ka na. So, kunan mo yung kamay ko. Ito yung luma natin, kaya malamang sa malamang na palit talaga. Lambot na eh. Magkaiba nung bago, tigas. Hindi siya kayang iyan oh. Yun, kaya medyo gaganda ulit ang talbog natin. So ayan lang. 5 years bago natin napalitan. Pati yung goma. Goma, oh. Snap, tama na rin. Sabi natin yung mga original natin. Bago natin ibalik itong milyo, linisin muna para tanggal yung mga dumi. Para hindi magbara. Kasi ito, binanik natin, may hiwa din kasi hindi na makakapasok dito. May harang din dito.
Nakakarton.
Bakit? Kasi ito hindi ka naman maliligaw eh. Pagka kinabit mo, may guide naman to. May kaliwa, may kanan. O pag ganon, pag ganyan yan. Itong isa pag ganon. Ayan, may nagporma ka dyan. Kaya natin kapit to eh. Natin manamela. May na. Ito pinaka ano yan. Parang mag self-locking.
Before, before.
Okay yan, kahit konti lang. Huwag lang magbara yung mga dumi ro. Abas! Ma'am Jo, thank you. Okay na yan, palapati mo na, paigpitan mo na tong stabilizer link.
Teka, okay.
Okay na yan, mamaya na tayo mag-igpit pagka ano kasi mahirapan tayo. Kita mo na yung stabilizer link. Gamit na sa stabilizer lang tayo.
Never really know what's going on.
Ang kabila na ano mo na yun?
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want
Mahaba. Dugtungan mo. Yan. Bagong mekaniko na naman. 17? Bakit? Yung ilalim, iba?
Oo.
Ano magkaiba? Oo.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh, tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
Wala nang kontra. Oo, kasi
Hindi naman gumagalaw.
kapit na
I don't know where to stop. I just go till I drop.
itin.
Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
Mekaniko, kita ko na. Ano? Okay na yan. Ako na titisa mamaya. Yan. Isayin ko na yan. O, paluwag yan. Yan.
Testing ka.
Yan, ilayin mo. Kontra.
Hindi na kayo. Isang bagay. Sigurado dapat ang gawa.
Pitang ito baka kulay yan. Diba? Kasi pagka inikpitan mo na to, mahirapan na tayo mag-spit yan. Lalaban eh. Diba? Oh. Bakit? Huwag kang dito na sa loob. Puro labas
Okay,
na.
umadjust lang. Umadjust kanina kasi kaya
Agad yung adjust ng labas eh. Ay yung loob eh.
tama, umadjust ako.
Mamaya mo napisa yung kitang-kisa yan. Dito ka na, sa taas na. Kitang-kisa yan kasi pag kaya, masisira yung lang yan. Kitang-kisa.
so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hindi, sumasabay nga. Hindi.
Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Sumasabay nga.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Get on board.
Diyan pa sa kabila.
We're soaring on top of the world.
Ha? Sumasabay yun.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
yung kabila eh. Bilis kumapit nun nat eh. Kumagat na. Bilis kumapit nung kabila eh, kaya nagtataka rin ako eh.
Vamos.
Ha?
Pa natin. Ang ilalim. Skip mo na yan.
Hindi ko masyado.
Okay, vamos.
Ayan, pababa, pataas.
Baba. Baba.
Ika, kinakabag ka, nakagat ka pa lang.
Okay. Okay na. Ha? Doon yan. Kabila. So, finished product tayo. Ayan. Ayos, panalo. Hindi lang kadali. Road test natin. Para makita. Ayos, mga gulong. Hanggang sa muli. Ating DIY. Kagalang mag-guns pounder, ano kasi DIY lang tayo. Isang bike. Okay, boom. Next time naman, yung belt naman titirahin natin. Road test na tayo mga agulong. Sarap na ng feeling ulit, parang bago ulit siya. Almost 5 years bago ko pinalitan yung stabilizer link saka stabilizer bushing. Tumalbog na ulit, oh. Wala nang kaldag, oh. Ayos na. Alagaan nyo lang mga agulong ang sasakyan nyo para tumagal, oh. Lalaro na ulit, oh. Hindi katulad nung dati, yung luma, pag nasaldak bro, ganun na eh. Eto, wala na. Tapat na siya. So, thank you mga agulong. See you on my next vlog. Founder TV, God bless sa inyo mga agulong. Maraming salamat.